how to clear RAM and memory in Android. So if you want to clear RAM and memory in Android, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings application. After opening your settings, now you need to scroll down, and here you will have RAM and storage space. Tap on it, and from here you can just scroll down, and then you can go with trash. So tap on trash, which is on the bottom, and from here you can just remove all of the items. Go with delete and delete the files permanently. After removing the trash, now you can go back, and from here you can go with the documents or the videos or the system, or you can also tap on manage storage, and here you can select the items that you would like to remove. So select the items, tap on free up space, and tap on free up space again, and it will remove the unwanted files. If you have clean junk or clear cache or remove files section, then you just need simply go and clear all of the cache or the junk, and after that you will clear your RAM or memory. So that's how you can clear your RAM or memory on your Android, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.